Are you an adult considering going back to school to get a degree in chemistry? Today, there are many options available to you. Which should you pick? The traditional model? Perhaps the online model? Which method will help you reach your goal? Before you decide on which model is best for you, you should explore them. What is the traditional teaching model? What's an online teaching model? Are they similar? Different? Are there any advantages or disadvantages of these models? Can you achieve the same outcomes in either model? The traditional learning model is face-to-face, or what we like to call brick and mortar. This occurs in a formal, institutionalized setting, and it's curriculum-driven, focused on grades, diplomas, and certifications. This also means attending class in a particular location at a set time with an instructor who controls the learning. There is no online technology. The content is delivered orally or written. No worries, though. Some of the best applicable adult education theories for the traditional setting include collaboration or cooperative learning, which are much easier when face-to-face. Student reflection is front and center in this model. Students often edit their own work after meeting with the professor. And being on campus allows chemistry majors the honor and privilege of working with professors, designing and carrying out research projects, and perhaps even getting their work published. Knowles' theories on andragogy or adult learning are best in a structured learning environment with applied goals. In contrast, what does the online learning model look like? This model, also known as distance learning, uses internet-based technology to teach students who are separated from an instructor. Believe it or not, the content delivery methods can be quite diverse and result in active learning. Online professors make use of adult learning theories like inquiry, which sparks learning, exploration, integration, and problem solving. Connectivism and collaboration help online students learn through networks while depending upon each other and being held personally accountable. Self-directed learning is on display in an online format as students take charge of their learning and goals and work collaboratively with their instructors. You'll notice some similarities. Both models place instructors in similar roles. They plan instruction, create safe environments, and manage their classes. Both traditional and online models provide instructor communication and feedback as well. The differences in models are more pronounced. Online classes can occur anywhere, including from the comfort of your very own couch. But in a set classroom, you are in the presence of a teacher and classmates. Traditional classes run in real set times and controlled by a teacher, while online is much more flexible. Some traditional settings use collaboration, while most college professors lecture where you sit, listen, and take notes. Active, student-centered learning is much more prevalent online. Before you make your decision on which model is best for you, let's review the advantages of the traditional model. Research suggests that students have more confidence when in traditional settings, and they are face-to-face with professors and classmates. Typically, traditional models rely less upon technology. And as we all know, technology is great when it works. On the other hand, online learning offers many advantages. Flexible times and locations. Want to work from anywhere, even on vacation at the beach at 3 a.m.? Online learning makes this possible. Moreover, those who prefer online learning insist the best part is no wasted travel time. Instead of fighting rush hour traffic or dodging wildlife on the road, students can spend that time working on their classes. What are the downsides? With traditional teaching, you must commute to a building with a teacher at a designated time, which may cost you more in living and commuting expenses. This can also be difficult if you have a full-time job. Online also has its downfalls. Faculty members may be frustrated with technology and lack of support and training. Many are not comfortable with technology requirements to be an online teacher. Hardware, software, internet connections are also problematic. Data security and privacy can be an issue. Online teachers feel online teaching is more labor-intensive. Teachers do not like to give up control and often feel that way with these online classes. And the teachers believe their learners procrastinate more and are less focused. Hopefully, if you choose online, you get some experienced online professors who like the challenge. Well, if you're thinking about being a student again, obviously, you want to learn. So can both traditional and online models achieve the same outcome? One outcome all chemistry professors want you to have is lab experience. In a traditional setting, you are in the lab working with the equipment and chemicals. This experience can be important if you want to go on to get a higher degree. Of course, the downside is that the results do not always turn out like you want and can be frustrating. In online teaching, however, mostly simulations are used. These allow you to view reactions in 3D, and your results are almost always spot on, which can result in increased learning and comprehension. And of course, the best advantage to online simulations is no goggle face. That's right, your friends won't tease you relentlessly all day long. One more objective all chemistry professors want you to obtain is problem solving. In the traditional classroom, you will listen to a professor lecture 2 or 3 days per week. Sure, they may explain how to do the problems, but you will ultimately learn how to problem solve on your own in your apartment or in your dorm. Of course, being in a traditional setting means getting together with classmates to teach each other. In an online platform, you are self-directed learning on your own. Of course, the internet can be a valuable tool in your learning. And you can still collaborate with classmates through Zoom, FaceTime, and Snapchat video. Before you decide the best course of action to obtain your chemistry degree, take a look at your lifestyle, learning preferences, then decide which is best. Traditional learning or online. In the end, make the best choice for you.